Testosterone is crucial for growing muscle and strength. It's a natural anabolic hormone. Higher testosterone implies higher muscle protein synthesis. This leads to quicker muscle development and recuperation. Boosting testosterone naturally may dramatically improve your fitness journey. Sleep is vital for testosterone production. Most testosterone is released during deep sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of decent sleep each night. Create a calm nighttime ritual to increase sleep quality. Chronic stress may wreak havoc on your testosterone levels. High stress leads to elevated cortisol, a hormone that counteracts testosterone. Engage in stress reduction activities like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Managing stress correctly might naturally improve your testosterone levels. Diet has a key influence in testosterone production. Focus on having a balanced diet, high in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Limit processed meals, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol usage, since they might adversely affect testosterone levels. Some meals may offer your testosterone levels a natural boost. Include foods high in zinc, such oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds. Consume healthy fats from foods like avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish. Add cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts to your diet. Building muscle and strength. The appropriate training program may greatly affect testosterone production. You focus on complex exercises that engage many muscular groups simultaneously, such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These workouts activate more muscle fibers, resulting to a larger testosterone response. The intensity and amount of your exercise is important for testosterone production. Lift heavier weights for lower repetitions to induce higher testosterone release. Keep your rest intervals between sets short to maintain a high level of intensity. Challenge yourself gradually by increasing weight or reps over time. In this part, we will discuss how various supplements may play a supporting role in increasing testosterone levels. While they are not a major treatment, they may be a beneficial adjunct to a holistic strategy to maintaining normal testosterone levels. While not a key remedy, several supplements may support testosterone levels. These supplements may assist address nutritional deficiencies and supply the body with necessary nutrients that are needed for hormone synthesis and general wellness. It's crucial to remember that supplements should complement a healthy lifestyle. Includes a balanced diet, moderate exercise, and proper sleep. Vitamin D supplementation might be advantageous, particularly if you have a deficit. Vitamin D is not only necessary for bone health, but also plays a crucial role in hormone control, including testosterone. Many individuals have low levels of vitamin D owing to insufficient sun exposure or food consumption, making supplements a feasible choice. Spending time in sunshine may also help improve your vitamin D levels naturally. Zinc and magnesium are additional key elements that play a role in testosterone synthesis. Zinc is involved in various facets of cellular metabolism and is essential for the action of approximately 300 enzymes. It promotes immunological function, protein synthesis, and DNA synthesis. Magnesium, on the other hand, is necessary for muscular function, energy generation, and sustaining appropriate neuron function. Both elements may be gained via food, however, supplementation may be essential if you have a shortage. Consult with a healthcare practitioner before beginning any new supplements. They may help you evaluate whether you have any inadequacies and prescribe the proper dose. It's also crucial to evaluate possible interactions with other drugs you may be taking. A healthcare expert may give individualized guidance based on your unique health requirements and guarantee that your supplement regimen is safe and effective. Remember, supplements are only one piece of the jigsaw in maintaining appropriate testosterone levels. A comprehensive approach that includes a balanced diet, frequent physical exercise, and appropriate sleep is crucial for general well-being. Testosterone levels normally fall with aging. However, by adopting a healthy lifestyle, you may reduce this decrease. Maintain a steady workout schedule, prioritize sleep, and eat a good diet. These routines can assist protect your testosterone levels and general vigor as you age. In this part, we will go into practical and effective ways that you may adopt into your everyday routine to naturally raise your testosterone levels. These guidelines are meant to be simple to follow and may make a major impact in your general health and well-being. Here's a summary of concrete methods to enhance your testosterone. First and foremost, let's speak about the necessity of sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of excellent sleep each night. Sleep is vital for hormone synthesis, particularly testosterone. During deep sleep, your body enters into repair mode, creating and regulating hormones. To increase your sleep quality, develop a regular sleep schedule. Build a calming nighttime ritual, and ensure your sleep environment is dark, quiet, and cold. Avoid electronics and caffeine before bed to let your body wind down naturally. Manage stress with meditation, yoga, or nature walks. Chronic stress may lead to high amounts of cortisol, a hormone that adversely affects testosterone synthesis. Incorporating stress reduction activities into your daily routine might help keep cortisol levels in control. Meditation and yoga are effective activities for relaxing the mind and lowering stress. Additionally, spending time in nature, whether it's a stroll in the park or a trip in the woods, may have a relaxing influence on your mental state. Consume a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Your food has a crucial impact in hormone synthesis. Protein is important for muscle repair and development, while healthy fats are crucial for hormone production. Complex carbs give prolonged energy and help manage blood sugar levels. Aim to incorporate a range of nutrient-rich foods in your meals, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and lots of fruits and vegetables. Contain testosterone-boosting foods like oysters, steak, avocados, and cruciferous veggies. Oysters are rich in zinc, a mineral that plays a significant role in testosterone synthesis. Beef delivers high-quality protein and healthy fats. Avocados are rich with healthful monounsaturated fats, which are helpful for hormone health. Cruciferous plants such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts have chemicals that assist regulate hormone levels by lowering excess estrogen. Engage in intensive training with complex exercises and heavy lift. Physical exercise, particularly weight training, is one of the most effective strategies to enhance testosterone levels. Compound workouts such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses train many muscular groups simultaneously and produce increased hormone release. Aim for at least 3 to 4 strength training sessions each week, combining both heavy lifting and high-intensity interval training. Try it. For maximum results, take supplements like vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium after visiting a healthcare expert. While a healthy diet should offer most of the nutrients you need, some supplements may help fill in any gaps. Vitamin D is crucial for general health and has been linked to greater testosterone levels. Zinc is necessary for hormone synthesis, and magnesium improves muscular function and rehabilitation. Always contact with a healthcare practitioner before beginning any new supplement regimen to verify it's suitable for your unique requirements. By adopting these practical recommendations into your daily routine, you may naturally enhance your testosterone levels and improve your overall health and wellness. Remember, consistency is crucial, and little tweaks may build to large outcomes over time. Stay dedicated to your game plan and you'll be on your way to attaining your health and fitness objectives. Testosterone is frequently referred to be the hormone of kings for a reason. It has a critical function in the growth of muscle mass, bone density, and general physical strength. But its power reaches well beyond simply the physical. It also affects your emotions, energy levels, and even cognitive function. In this part, we will look into the various advantages of boosting your testosterone levels and how you may use this powerful hormone to alter your life. Boosting your testosterone naturally may have a tremendous influence on your muscular development, strength, and general well-being. Imagine waking up every day feeling more energetic, more focused, and more eager to meet the difficulties ahead. That's the power of testosterone. By making a few easy modifications to your lifestyle, you may greatly boost your body's capacity to create this crucial hormone. This isn't about fast cures or shortcuts. It's about creating permanent adjustments that will benefit you in the long term. By applying the tactics suggested in this video, you may enhance your body's natural testosterone production and unleash your full athletic potential. These measures include frequent strength exercise, a balanced diet rich in critical nutrients, adequate sleep, and stress management skills. Strength exercise in particular has been demonstrated to be particularly beneficial in raising testosterone levels. When you lift weights, your body reacts by creating more testosterone to help repair and develop muscular tissue. But it's not just about lifting heavy. It's about lifting smart. Attention on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, which activate several muscular regions and induce increased testosterone production. Embrace these lifestyle changes and watch as you attain new levels of strength, energy, and confidence. It's crucial to remember that consistency is key. The advantages of increasing testosterone levels won't come quickly, but with focus and patience, you will start to see and feel the difference. Celebrate your success, no matter how tiny, and remain dedicated to your objectives. Your quest to unlocking your greatest potential begins now. Embrace the power of testosterone and change not only your physique, but your whole life.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.